Hello and welcome back to another Astranti Microsoft Excel video. This video is the module workbook exercise video for the module all about using Flash Fill. And just before we get on with this video, just a quick reminder that you should have already downloaded this workbook and had a go at the activity yourself. And there's just the one activity that we are going to be running through today. And there's a little bit of a background story behind this activity. So you can see on the screen now, we have a revenue forecast, or at least the beginning of one, starting in 2022 with £10,000 worth of revenue. And we have all the years up to 2040, but the revenue is not quite complete. And that is where you are going to come in. Now, the organization who has produced this chart, they are expecting their revenue to increase by 10% year upon year. And for your activity, I'd like you to use the fill series options to complete the rest of this table under the assumption that revenue will increase by 10% year upon year. And so to do this, we are going to start by highlighting this revenue column. And then we are going to head over to the top right under the Home tab, the top right, and we see Fill. We click on Fill, and we are filling a series. And so this time round, I want you to click on Growth, because our revenue is going to be increasing 10% each year. It's a growing amount, a compounding amount. And once again, we are going to have this selected as columns, because we know that the revenue column is a column. And this is where we are going to use the step value. So this is the amount that we are going to be multiplying the revenue by each time. And we know that the revenue is expected to increase by 10% year upon year. So we are going to enter in 1.1, an increase of 10%. And because we've opted to highlight the cells in question, we won't need to put in a stop value because Excel will know to only fill in the cells that we have highlighted. So all we need to do now is click OK. And you can see we now have our revenue forecast filled in automatically by Excel. So our revenue is increasing by 10% year upon year. You can see 10,000 in 2022, 11,000 in 2023, a 10% increase. And that 10% increase keeps going all the way till 2040. So we can say in answer to this activity that this organization's revenue in 2040 is expected to be £55,599.17. And so that is how you use the fill series to complete this forecast. I hope you've enjoyed this video, just the one quick activity in today's video. Hopefully you got it right, but at least if you didn't, I hope that you now understand how you could do. And I hope to see you again on another video very soon.
And if you enjoyed that video and would like to see more from us, be sure to like and subscribe, and consider following us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, or go to our website linked in the description.